Joe, what do you think of this costume?
Did Halloween come early this year?
No, I'm going on Let's Make a Deal.
You mean the game show?
Yeah,
With Monty Hall?
I think so.
Well, see, in statistics, we learned about this thing called the Monty Hall Problem, and I think we can use it to help you win.
Really?
Do you want me to show it to you real quick?
I got about 3 minutes.
It's all the time we need.
Let's go. All right, Joe, explain this Monty Hall problem.
Okay, you're on Let's Make a Deal, and the host shows you 3 doors. Behind one of the 3 doors is a brand new car.
Could use one of those.
You're not the only one. And behind the other 2 doors are goats. Now, choose one of the 3 doors.
I'm going to choose door number 3.
Alright, now what of your odds that what's behind that door is the car?
I would have to say 1 out of 3.
And what are the odds that there's a goat behind that door?
2 out of 3.
Right. Now, instead of opening up the door that you just picked, the host is going to make things easier for you. He will open up one of the 2 other doors, and he will reveal one of the 2 goats.
Okay.
Then he's going to ask you, do you want to stick with the door that you just picked, or would you like to switch to this other unopened door?
I will stay.
Why?
It's a 50-50 chance, so I'll just stay.
You'd think it's a 50-50 chance, but the truth is, if you were to switch over to the other door, you would double your chances of winning the car.
How's that possible?
Let me show you. Okay, let's say, by luck, the door that you picked first has the car behind it. If you stay, you keep the car. Simple as that. But if you switch, you'll always end up with one of the 2 goats. The host will reveal one of them, and if you switch, you end up with the other. Now, what were the odds of you picking that car in the first place?
1 in 3.
Right. That means that by switching, you have a 1 in 3 shot of winning a goat. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. But let's say the door that you picked first had a goat behind it. Now, what does the host always have to reveal when he opens a door?
A goat.
Right. And since there's only one door left that has a goat behind it, that means that the 3rd door, the one that you have the option to switch to, will always have the car behind it. So, if you pick a goat on your first try and then switch, you always win the car. And what are your odds of picking the goat on your first try?
2 out of 3.
Which means that by switching, you have a 2 out of 3 shot of winning the car.
Which doubles my odds. All right, Joe, you're telling me definitely switch.
Yes, you should always switch if you want to win that car.
Then I'm going to switch.
All right, good luck.
Hey, Joe, that stats class really paid off.
The Monty Hall problem. You'd have to be a chicken not to switch.